Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm in Australia and we are nearly heading into winter here. I have a parcel here today to undo. I'm in a different location. I'm halfway through moving my halfway through moving my room and my craft room back to where it was, so I'm just doing this out here. This is from Virginia Aloshire, Abshire, and she lives in the United States. So I know I'm still getting some parcels coming in from people, and I don't know if I brought the scissors out here with me. Oh, well, look at that! I've got it open. Oh boy, I've got it open. Okay. Oh dear. Oh God, it's just me. That smells beautiful. Oh dear, look at this. Oh, look at this. Oh, I do love the flower. Look at the flower. Isn't that so nice? Oh wow, thank you so much. That beautiful flower. Beautiful. She's made this with look, all them little bits of petals. Oh wow. That there. Oh, I do love that. Thank you so much. And a lovely card. I've got to remember that I've got to lean forward a bit to do this. Thank you for your challenge. I hope what I sent can be of use to your gypsy book. I love what you have come with so far. I can't wait till it's finished. I won't be long now because I've got to get back into the... Oh my goodness me, look at what I've got. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Isn't this awesome? Oh, look at the goodies. Look at all the goodies. Thank you so much. I feel so... Oh, Virginia, this is so nice of you to send me this. I hope I'm close enough to the I don't know what to do first. Oh, look, I've got a piece of this. Look at that bit. Oh, look at it. It's really soft. Really pretty. Really soft and pretty, that is. Wow. And this piece. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at all these beautiful things. Oh, look, there's a nice doily. And there's another piece of pretty. Look at that trim. Oh, dear. Oh, my goodness. What's this? This is a tassel. Is it a tassel? Oh, thank you so much. Look at these beautiful things. Thank you. Oh, there's another piece of that bit. Oh dear, aren't these lovely? And another tassel. Oh, I can't wait now. I won't be long before I get in my room, and when I've got to get rid of some things to make a bit more space. Excuse me, so I can sit down and work without all this stuff get too much for me. Look at these beautiful flowers. Oh dear, this is so lovely. Thank you so much for all these lovely things. Look at that. Oh, look at this one. Thank you so much, Virginia. These are just gorgeous. Oh, look, you made me a flower. Look at this rose. Oh, look at that. Isn't that awesome? Wow, I hope this is all in the shot. I'll be really upset if it's not. And I've got heaps of these bits here. She sent me heaps of bits. Look at this one. Oh, dear. All beaded. Oh, look, it's bead. It's all beadwork on denim. Look at that. And all these appliques. All these beautiful appliques. I hope there's another one of them flowers. She sent me that. They're really nice. And more of these. And I'm sorry about my stomach. I don't know. It's doing lots of things is not fair. I'm trying to show something. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Oh, well. These are really, really awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Yes, I'll definitely be getting on with that gypsy book. Look at this. Oh, isn't that nice? Look, oh, look at that. Somebody's crocheted all that bit. Well, it's come off of something that's been crocheted. Look at it. Isn't that good? Just the good colours too. Oh my goodness me, look at this bit. Look at the tassely thing. Oh dear. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. I'd only be able to use this much. Oh, dear, look at that. Thank you so much. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at that. Oh, wow, that's lovely. Oh, and this piece. Oh, aren't these gorgeous? Thank you so much for all these beautiful things. Look at this. Oh, my goodness me. Oh, I do love that. And this one. Oh, dear. And this one, look at this. Oh, wow. I'll have to look at them a bit close up after, because I'm holding them away from me, because I'm... Oh, look at that. Now, that's a big piece of wood. Oh, wow. That is a goodie. Isn't this awesome? Oh, dear. Thank you, Virginia. This is so cool. Oh, look at that. There's another one. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. This is like a satiny stuff, and then this is embossed like on it, you know. So it raises up, and oh dear, that looks good. Oh, and then we look at this one here. Look at this. Oh dear, thank you so much. And then, oh wow, look at that. This is like all raised up. Oh dear, it's the phone. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. I'll have to come back and do part 2. Sorry.